visual?
Yes, we've discussed the visual perception. Thank you for that, Miss Sumalpong. So, to make sure that you've learned something last meeting, we will have an activity. So, I have instructed you to prepare some materials, the sheet and uh, col- the crayons with specific colors. Na ready ba ninyo tanan? Kindly react hard if ready ninyo tanan. Okay, thank you. May I request everyone to please turn on their cameras? As it is part of the attendance. Okay, so for today's activity, it is called as the Recall Rush Challenge. So here are the instructions. So everyone is required to join the activity. Materials should be prepared. The sheet contains possible answers related to the lesson. So, kanang sheet akong gihatag na ay correct answers ana and naapoy some distractors. Then, the teacher will spin a question wheel and read a question aloud two times only ha, and each of you will be given 15 seconds to find and shade the correct answer in the sheet. But there's a twist. Okay? Nasabtan lang ang some of the instructions here. And here a part if yes. Okay. Then, the twist is, if the correct answer is found on the sheet nga akong gi-provide, you will shade it using a designated color. So, pag spin ako sa wheel, nga anay, specific colors ang paper ana. So, mutal ra ko ninyo kung unsang crayons ang inyong i-use. Dayon, if the correct answer is not on the sheet nga akong i-provide, the student must comment their answers in the chat box. So, paunhanay mo ani o comment sa chat box if inyong inyong ma-observe sa sheet nga akong i-provide is wala dito ang answers. Nasabtan lang. Kindly react hard, please. Okay. So the student who answers first will be later. So if sakto lang answer, mo correspond of letter which is B-I-N-G-O. So mura siya bingo, guys. So if ang situation is ang first nga ni answer is wrong yung answer, mo proceed na sa second one. If correct ang yung answer, maka-earn siya of letter B. Hantod na na ma-spell ang bingo. So the first student to complete the bingo word wins a prize. So do you have any questions? Clarifications? None? Kindly react hard if wala. Para makita lang. Okay, let's start. Ready na? First question. We have color red. Use a color red crayon. Okay? So here's the question. A pupil struggles to align numbers and letters properly in a written work. So the teacher provides a box worksheet. What material or intervention is being used? Again, a pupil struggles to align numbers and letters properly in a written work. So, the teacher provides a box worksheet. What material or
pero dili ma-fill out jud og color like
Yes.
determine.
Basta ma-determine na siya. Okay, pakita. So, what's your answer, Zach? It's,
Dili mo na ko camera, Ray.
sige, unsay mong answer, Jai?
Dapat i-on.
Unsay answer? So, let's see if sakto inyong i-shade ng color. So, the correct answer is graph paper. Kinsay correct? The art heart Misha, si Malongros, Agaa. Ray, ako! Si Bianchi. Ay, wala pa si Bianchi.
Ako po, Ray.
Wow, very good.
Ray. Nako.
Sige.
Ako
Okay, ready na
ako
for the
right.
next
Right, ako
question?
right.
O, naana lang si Zach. Ready na
Ni
for
maro
the
ko si
next
Zach kay giusap
question?
niya yung answer.
Hoy, wala hoy.
Nana siya extra tulo ka papers diha.
Sige, next question. Okay, we have purple. Purple crayon or violet? Okay, here's the question. A pupil often misinterprets when he sees and struggles to organize visual information during class tasks. What kind of building block of visual perception is involved? Again, a pupil often misinterprets when he sees and struggles to organize visual information during class tasks. What kind of building block of visual perception is involved? You have 15 seconds. Arma, view na ni Mang uban nga ga-open o camera. Kay dili tanan sa ako
Dili pud sa ako Ray, half ra. Ay sorry.
Okay, time's up.
Dili pud ma-view sa ako Ray, half ra pud siya.
Sige.
Saan ni siya
the correct
pag-hold?
answer is sensory processing. Ipakita sa camera. Kung sakto ang answer.
Si Zach Ray makita diri nga gaon.
Si Liani po o si
Good student ko, good student. First time.
Naanas Jojane. Oh, ano nang open naman lagi mo. Nanas Jojane, Nanas Trisha, si Bianvi, si Elkena.
Asang uban?
The rest kay wala.
Wow, Sophia. I woke up like this. Okay, correct ang tanan. Sige, next question. Okay, color yellow. Ane. A pupil confuses letters like B and D or P and Q when reading. What kind of building block of visual perception is involved? Again, a pupil confuses letters like B and D or P and Q when reading. What kind of building block of visual perception is involved? You have 15 seconds.
Ay,
Say na po ang answer. We have Miss Agaab. Okay. Ano? Okay. Your answers are correct, but Miss Agaab mo'y nakauna diri. Okay, nanay, letter B si Misha. Basi kalanta mo sa among PowerPoint presentation, ha?
Wala oy.
Na.
Bantay yan nga. Okay. Let's proceed. Nanay, letter B, si Misha.
Hawak mo ang PD.
Okay, next question. We have color green. How may color green crayon? Okay. So the question is, Soraya?
Yes. Yes, I.
Akong i-check.
Si Sophia, Ari.
Si Sofia.
Ray, hinay, di ko mo type, Ray. Basag sa tiri. Metag sa.
Tawa ko.
Si Sofia mo'y una. Ay,
Kay kanina,
sakto.
Juan man, di siya may last.
Ay, hinay.
Ayan mo ha.
Hinay, ro ka ayun dyan mo type ni diri.
Okay. So the correct answer is ay visual figure graph. So naka-earn na po letter B si Sophia.
Hala.
B. Pag dili ma-spell out yun ang bingo, pero kung kinsay mas daghan og letters, maoy daog na lang. Okay? Kay 5 ra pud ako nakuan diri. Okay, next question.
Question.
Yes. We have color blue. So the question is, a pupil cannot identify an object when part of it is missing in a picture. What kind of building block of visual perception is involved? Again, a pupil cannot identify an object when part of it is missing in a picture. What kind of building block of visual perception is involved? You have 15 seconds. Nani naka-answer?
Naanay naka-answer, Rai.
Pas-pas lagi ka.
Ka-advance.
Advance
Ako,
na
ako, ako. Si Zach. Plus si Zach. Ako may...
Minsa may
Wa pagani-
minsa may
wa-
need
wa
of
pagani-
close niha.
Answer.
Ako.
Hala, murag na ay natalang diri sa comment box, oh.
Wala ka naman.
Wala na
Iya
iya
nga
nga
nauna.
Nani answer.
Naay natalang comment diri kuan.
Soraya. Sana na po yung letter B, si Soraya. Matay dito sila ron.
P4.
Rai, pa-accept daw sa Jaja.
I'm sorry. Okay na. Next question. Okay, visual closure. Correction. For color green. The question is, a pupil keeps losing focus while copying from the board. What kind of building block of visual perception is involved? Again, a pupil keeps losing focus while copying from the board. What kind of building block of visual perception is involved? In seconds. Start now. Nana, dali ako maka-answer. Okay. Ang first naka-answer is si Sophia. Nana kay letter I. Okay, next question.
Ay, nawala.
A is visual attention. Very good. Next question is, let's have color purple or violet na crayon. A pupil looks at a picture but cannot explain what is happening in it. What difficulty is the child showing? A pupil looks at the picture but cannot explain what is happening in it. What difficulty is the child showing? Kisay una. Kisay una diya R. Yan ako makita.
Unsay answer gani, Rai?
Pero, Rai.
Astillero.
Still yellow. Very good. Nana mo yung letter. Nana kayo letter B.
P-I-N-G-O.
Alam mo na tayo last. So that's all for our activity, guys. Kinsay na daog.
Puro man sila B.
Naatay usa.
Sofia?
Sophia.
Wow.
P.I. ako. P.I.
Ay, pwede magpapadaw mo color si Kuan, si Kyle.
O sige, color na mo. Basta namoy, para namoy makakita dito sa, sa GC. Kaya ipapasa man ako na. So, great job everyone and thank you for participating sa amuang activity. Let's give everyone a party. Sino gani? Party emoji. So, maklaim na ninyo inyong prize next week lang sa BSNet 6 para maka-take picture papunta. Okay? Nag-enjoy
Apil
ako sa
ko, ma'am.
activity, everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Kasi wala nag-enjoy. Okay, i-question ako on niya. Okay, so let's start with our discussion na.
Ray, ako na ni-off. Ikaw na pod video.
Ako na pa yung video.
Okay.
Hanggang sa